Hey guys, it's Kate. So today I was sitting in my art room and I got a little delivery from Amazon. So I thought we could do a quick watercolor abstract with my palette and then try these puppies out with some doodles on top. So let's get started. So I'm going to use this today, and I think I'm going to go into my favorite when we spray down my palette with some water, get it nice and juicy. I'm going to move this over just a little bit so you can see more of what I'm dipping into. So I'm going up here to my turquoise and I'm going to load up my brush and get some water and just get a nice bit. And I'm going to go right in here. Actually, I think I'm going to do it portrait today. And then I just love this color. It is so rich. And then I'm going to rinse, dab, and then just bring this. I like the gradient, and I'm going to get a lot of that. So I'm going to do another area, I think here. And it's just such a nice paint. It spreads nice. I love it. Okay, I'm going to rinse again, give my brush a blot, and then get this moving. See? And that softens up a lot of that edge. And I'm going to do a little bit more because I want it to travel. Nice. That looks good to me. Okay, I'm going to go in. I'm going to get a little bit of a brighter color. I'm going to dip into my lemon yellow. And that's kind of a nice color. Now, when I did my swatching video, when I first opened this palette, this is the Mozart Kohlrabi set. The lemon yellow is really lightly colored, but if you grab a decent amount, it works pretty nice. And then I'm going to also go over some of this blue edge and let it spread. That's a little bit much. I'm going to actually grab another paper towel. So I have something to blot on. And just mop up a little bit of this excess. I don't want it too bright. And I've also got a little bit of this turquoise kind of coming through here. I'm going to encourage that to travel. I like how it just kind of touches. Okay, what do we want next? I'm going to go for a little bit more of this yellow. And I'm going to bring it right down here. And bring it in to kiss this turquoise. Nice. And maybe some over here too. And I'm just drawing it out with my wet brush, letting it move around. And then I'm going to come in with more of a green. It's Peak Green in the palette, number 42. And that's a nice color also. I'm going to come back in and drop in some more. And get this going. And then blot my brush and let this travel. And some colors travel more than others, but I'm really going for the soft edges. So if I see excess, I'm going to try to get it up. Okay, and get some more of this green and bring it in right over here and layer it a little bit into the other colors and come down. Let's get some more softness here. Great. Okay. Now this is looking a little bright, so I'm going to go into my yellow ochre and add that. And just tone down the look of this a bit. And I'm going to take it right over that turquoise. And get it ever so slightly muddy. And just a little bit more of an organic look going on here. I'm going to take some more and drop it in right here. Great. And how about we go right here? Lift up some of this excess. I've got a little bit of a paper towel. I'm just going to come in and blot just a little bit. I have my paper a bit damp, but not wet, where I'm putting the paint. And I like what's going on up here, so I'm going to leave that. But I might come in with a little bit more yellow ochre on the top. And let it come into this green. And maybe add just a few little dots for some visual interest. Like that. And same thing up here. I want to soften this edge a little bit. I need to blot. I have too much moisture on there. So let me just take up some of that excess. There we go. And a little bit here. Nice. And I might add another another little bloom of turquoise here at the bottom. That's lovely. And I'm going to let this travel too. Get a nice soft edge. And don't overwork it. Okay, I am back. This is all dry, and so I am going to start going in with my doodles. I am starting with the white, and I did just a little test on a paper I have to the side, and that's it right there. So I really like how that looks, and it's hopefully going to be much better than my jelly roll that I have. So I'm going to start by making just some doodles. How's that? I like that. All right. Well, thank you so much for joining me today while I watercolored and doodled. I hope you like it. I hope you had fun. It's just some practice with mark making. And until next time, keep creating.